Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, 27th December 2023, we had given live calls in the paid group as well as in the free group. Let us see what and all we have traded and how much we have booked profit from the calls given. All the calls are given based on the MST iCore 2.0 and MST iTrend 2.0. Now see here, December 27 date is shown here in the Telegram group, and already we are holding Ashok Leyland, and today's high made was 175.50. And at 9:44 we had suggested buy 47,800 call option near 330, and the low made was 329 something. So exactly buy got activated. Once the buy got activated and the latest high made in the 47,800 call option was 449. How much? 449. Let us see what was the high made. I will see from the mobile phone. I cannot log in through web login. Okay, so let me see here and show you. 47,800 call option high made was 449.55. It's almost 450. From 330 to 450, how much point? 120 points we have made profit. Okay, even if you have taken some 100 share, you can take in multiples of 15. So I have taken 150. So 150 shares into 120 points. It is not possible for us to hold for that many points, but even if you are booking some 20 to 30 points, 30 point stop loss and 30 point target, or 30 point stop loss and 60 points target 1:2 ratio, you could have made some 30,000 to 40,000 rupees profit in a single call. And today's call was given based on the 100% confirmation. And our screener also showing more number of stocks from the Bank Nifty for the bullish side, and we have got one breakout strategy also. That was one. First trade was 47,800 call option from 330 to 449.55, and second trade was ICICI Bank. Okay, ICICI Bank, we bought 1000 share at 999. See here we have mentioned very clearly, ICICI bought 1000 share at 999, and immediately high made was 1001.40. I don't know now what is the price going on in the ICICI. Let me check here. ICICI Bank. After our entry, when we had given the call, let us see here. Where it is here, 10:23 we had taken the call. 10:23 here, yeah, almost here. So after that high made was 1001.5 high made. So from 999 to 1015. So if you have taken 1000 share, 1.5 points. So it is 1500 rupees for 1000 share. So all these are the profit of today's calls. The next one, again we have given one important buy call from the Bank Nifty. See, it is clearly mentioned at 11:19. Bank Nifty call option next breakout is ready now. 48,086 above. Again buy any ITM CE. So we are always preferring to buy ITM in the money. So I was expecting that market will retrace till 250, but it was not retracing. So I said 260 also okay. After executing the orders at 260, and the low made was 254. Okay, so 260 exactly got activated, and then low made 254. Immediately we got 5 points, 10 points, 15 points, and latest high made was 397. 297.70. See here I have taken 297.70 was the latest high made from the 260. So almost 40 points profit you have got in the second also. So first call we made for 120 points profit and second call we made 40 points. Totally 160 points profit from the Bank Nifty call options. So this is based on the calls given. Now let us see what happened to the indicator, because we are always interested to know about our indicator and we have been emphasizing to trade based on only our indicator. So now let me take iCore 2.0 and I will keep it in default mode. Okay, so if it is default mode, we know that sell got activated and we got very small profit, and here we have to reduce the stop loss to tiny to stop loss and tiny to target. So first sell targets and second buy targets. So this is for the people who doesn't know anything about the market. Okay, this is for the people who doesn't know anything about the market. So now sell got activated and 50% of the target hit, then it got reversed, sell got hit, then second buy got activated, almost target is nearing now. So the second target was 131 and the high made was 111. 20 points is left and stop loss is not hit, and if you take based on this only, we have given the target 48,055 above buy. So this is based on the iCore 2.0. Now let me show you based on iTrend what happened to iTrend. So now we have to keep it in default mode, and for intraday you can choose either static or intraday. See here, perfectly bullish. Today's trend was high bullish, so 47,820. You know how we selected the 47,800 call option in the morning? It is based on this only. So our entry is 47,820, so I have taken 47,800. So market has retraced again, then only we got the entry. Now see how many targets have been hit. How many targets have been hit, that you can see. So first target 47,981 hit, and the second target what we are expecting is 48,143. So I hope for 100% that market will touch today 48,143.44. I hope everyone is in profit based on our both the indicators. If you have any doubts, please feel free to talk to us on the given number 9500009154, and we have given new year offer, very different offer. So whoever interested to subscribe to our indicator, please subscribe. And to get our indicator into our account, there are only 3 steps. First step is go to trading.com and create one free account. Then go to YouTube channel, type MST School of Trading. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the videos, know the procedures, how to trade using our indicator. Then like the videos, share it to all your beloved ones. And the third step would be join our Telegram channel. Also subscribe to our indicator, because it is not the free indicator. It is available only based on the subscription. Hope the content is very clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be very happy to help you all. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.